It's like rubber. But this side, the blue side, feels so... Ah!
Camera, lights, action!
Hey guys, today I'll be showing you the unboxing of Logitech's G240 mousepads. Here I have two here. One for my mama and one for my papa. Now I'm gonna unbox them.
Sige.
Sorry. Here is our mousepad. I don't need to show you what's inside here because they're basically the same. So inside the box we have the manual instructions, which we don't need anymore. And here is our mousepad. Our mousepad is 34 by 28 centimeters in size and 1 millimeter thick. It is made out of cloth and rubber base. The texture is very smooth that your mouse will glide very smooth. It can be purchased in online stores and at your favorite gaming shop. It is about 19 to 25 Australian dollars. Now I don't need to show you how to use it because you probably know how to use it by now.
Is ate alright?
She was a bit crazy.
You think you could have done
Funny.